Starting a business is like playing a video game on hard mode. The market is competitive, government policies can be unpredictable, and getting funding feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. Yet, every day, new businesses launch with high hopes, only for most to shut down within 5 years. So, why do small businesses fail? More importantly, how can you avoid the same mistakes? On Poor Financial Management, profit is not the same as cash flow. Many entrepreneurs mix their business and personal money, and that's a disaster waiting to happen. Just because you made money last month doesn't mean you have that money to spend. Common mistakes: spending all revenue without reinvesting in the business, ignoring expenses like rent, salaries, and taxes. No financial records, just mental accounting. How to fix it: open a separate bank account for your business. Pay yourself a salary instead of dipping into business funds. Use free accounting apps like Wave or Zoho to track income and expenses. Set aside an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. If you don't track your money, you'll wake up one day and wonder where it all went. 2. No clear business plan, just vibes and prayers. Starting a business without a plan is like driving to an unknown location without GPS. You'll get lost. Many entrepreneurs jump in because a business looks profitable without researching the market or planning long-term growth. Common mistakes: selling a product without knowing who your target customers are. Underestimating competition, thinking, "My business is different." No pricing strategy, just copying others without knowing why. How to fix it: research your market. Who are your customers? What do they need? How much are they willing to pay? Have a unique selling point, USP. What makes your business different? Price your products, services based on cost, demand, and competitors, not just guesswork. Set clear short-term and long-term goals to track progress. A business without a plan is a hustle, not a business. 3. Poor marketing: customers will come is a lie. The biggest myth in business is thinking good products sell themselves. If nobody knows your business exists, how will they buy from you? Common mistakes: depending only on friends and family for sales. No online presence, zero social media, no website. Ignoring customer feedback because people will always complain. How to fix it: use social media marketing. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok are free tools to promote your brand. Leverage WhatsApp marketing. Create a business profile, post updates, and join groups. Invest in paid ads when you can. Target the right audience for better sales. Listen to customers. Improve based on their feedback instead of getting defensive. Marketing is not an expense, it's an investment. If you don't market, your competitors will take your customers. 4. Lack of innovation: doing the same thing forever. The market is fast changing. What worked 2 years ago may not work today. If your business doesn't evolve, it will fade out. Common mistakes: refusing to adapt to new trends, e.g., online shopping, delivery services. Offering the same product service without improvement. Ignoring competitors and assuming customers will stay loyal forever. How to fix it: watch industry trends and adapt fast. Stay updated on what's working. Improve your product services based on customer needs. Explore new sales channels, online stores, mobile payments, home delivery, etc. Businesses that don't evolve become irrelevant. Stay ahead or you'll be left behind. 5. Hiring the wrong people. Your business is only as good as your team. Many entrepreneurs either run everything alone, burnout is real, hire family and friends instead of skilled people. Common mistakes: not training employees, expecting them to just figure it out. Paying low wages, then wondering why staff are unmotivated. Keeping bad workers out of fear of starting over. How to fix it: hire people based on skill, not sentiment. Train employees. An untrained worker is a liability. Pay fairly. Good workers stay where they feel valued. A great business needs great people. Don't let bad hiring decisions kill your dream. 6. No backup plan. Expect the unexpected. Running a business comes with surprises: economic downturns, sudden government regulations, market crashes. If you don't have a backup plan, one unexpected event can wipe you out. Common mistakes: no alternative supplier or plan if main supplier fails. No emergency savings for bad months. Relying on only one income stream. How to fix it: have multiple suppliers in case one disappoints. Diversify your income. If one product service slows down, another should keep you afloat. Build a financial buffer. Save money for months when sales drop. Prepare for the worst and you'll survive anything. Final thoughts. Success is not luck, it's strategy. Many small businesses fail, but yours doesn't have to. Avoid these deadly mistakes and you'll be ahead of 90% of struggling entrepreneurs. Track your finances. Profit is not cash flow. Have a solid business plan, don't just wing it. Market aggressively, customers won't find you by accident. Innovate, stay ahead of trends. Hire the right people, your team makes or breaks you. Prepare for unexpected setbacks, always have a backup plan. The road to business success isn't easy, but with the right strategies, you can build a thriving business that stands the test of time. Have questions about money, business, or entrepreneurship? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more business tips and strategies.